Wanna know how to fix your PUBG Mobile weapon skin not loading? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can fix it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, there are various reasons why your skins or your weapon skins might not be showing. One of them could be your download. So just simply head towards downloads right here on top. Now, once you're under downloads, here you should be seeing featured map, graphic and sound and outfits. So simply select outfits, and now once you're under outfits, just simply head towards currently equipped. And now once you're currently equipped, here you should be seeing this download option right here. So you can just simply select download all or just this yellow button right here. Next thing, just simply head towards inventory, that is right here. Now once you're under inventory, you can just simply make sure all of your skins or the right skins are equipped. So you can also head towards weapons, that is right here. And once you're under weapons, make sure your skin is also downloaded. So on downloaded, skin should look like this. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.